The medication history dialog allows you to view medication history for a patient from the SureScripts network and import and then reconcile that information with any medications that are currently in the patient's chart. To import and reconcile medication history for a patient, when in the patient's chart, click Chart and then Medication History. In the Medication History dialog, the basic demographic information for the patient will be listed, along with the medication history for that patient. In the Filter By section, select any medication, prescriber, and/or last fill date range you would like to filter the medication history for, and then click the Filter button. You can then view the medication history by scrolling through the medication section, reconcile the medications, or print the medication history. When reconciling and printing, only those medications that are included in the filter criteria will be printed or reconciled. When reconciling the medications, a clinical information reconciliation dialog will appear that allows you to view and reconcile the various medications, broken into the patient's current chart medications, available medications from SureScripts medication history, and a final merged list. Medications in the Available Medications from SureScripts Medication History list are color-coded to denote the level of medication information available and the ability of importation. You can click the Legend option for a complete listing. Medications can be moved individually by highlighting the applicable medication and then clicking the Add button, or in bulk using the Add All button. The medications that have been added will show in the final merged list, and labels will be updated to show their status as added. New medications added to the final merged list can be edited by using the Change button, except for controlled substances, which cannot be changed during the import process. An added medication can be removed from the list, and existing medications can be discontinued on either the final or current list. After all the applicable medications have been reconciled, click the Confirm button. The system will then import the medications in the final merged list, and after confirm messages have been satisfied, you will return to the Clinical Information Reconciliation dialog with the medication information updated. An auto-generated drug log will be created listing the drug details for each medication imported. Likewise, the patient's face sheet will be updated with the medications imported, and the medications will appear in the patient's history tab.